Unlock the secret weapon for your house cleaning business and discover how to pinpoint your ideal clients with laser precision right now. Today, we're diving deep into Propstream, a powerful tool that lets you leverage property data to supercharge your house cleaning business marketing. Forget random flyers. We're talking about targeted, efficient client acquisition. Step 1. Accessing Propstream. Once you're logged in, you'll see a map interface. This is where the magic begins. Think of this map as your fertile ground for discovering potential clients. Step 2. Filtering for your ideal client. Let's narrow down our search on the left-hand side. You'll find a robust filtering system for a house cleaning business. We can filter by property type. Select single-family homes. If you specialize in that, you can also filter by owner-occupied. These are homeowners who likely care about their property's appearance. Or consider vacant properties. These owners might need cleaning services for move-ins or move-outs. Step 3. Targeting specific demographics. Now, let's get even more granular. Explore the demographics filters. You might want to target homeowners within a certain age range, perhaps busy professionals or retirees who value their free time. Step 4. Focusing on prime neighborhoods. Want to focus your efforts. Use the neighborhood search function. You can draw custom areas on the map or search by zip code. This allows you to concentrate your marketing where you know there's demand for your services. Step 5. Identifying leads. Once you apply your filters, Propstream will populate a list of properties and their owners. This is your goldmine of potential clients. You'll see valuable data like owner names, phone numbers, and property details. Now, combine this data with your direct mail campaigns or targeted cold calling strategies. You'll be reaching out to people who are statistically more likely to need and afford your house cleaning services. By strategically using Propstream, you move beyond guesswork and embrace a data-driven approach. This means less wasted time and money, and a faster, more efficient path to a booming house cleaning business.